Okay guys, this is Coding with Gautam, and so today we're gonna talk about this level called Bank Raid, which is after Servant Savior. So without any further ado, let's finish this. And guys, I'll also talk about briefly about indexes in this level, so because this is like one of the main levels to understand indexes. So guys, let's look at the code first, and I'll briefly talk about indexes in that. So guys, you have a while loop, and then you have the variable enemies. You find enemies, so that's an array, because see, there are a lot of enemies in the first half. Let's just go over here and take this guy. Wait, pause. You have this guy named Paul Rock, Myrna, Zozo. See, there are a lot of names in the enemies, so it's an array. And then enemy index is the 0. You could keep any name you want: item index, your name index, hints index, code combat index, enemy index, item index, hero index, etc, etc. You could do whatever you want. So, but since it's the enemies, we'll keep an enemy index. And guys, so now let's look at this. So in a while loop, so enemy index is 0, and next then you have a lot of enemies. You have 5 enemies in this, so that's why it's less than the enemy's length, because enemy index is 0. And next then you could do it this way: variable enemy equals the enemies in the enemy index. So you could take like the enemies in the enemy index, so then he would attack from 0. He'll attack enemy 0, then to 1, then to 2, then to 3, then to 4. He could attack all of them, and then you have to increment it, because you know what incrementation is, but I'll explain it now. Incrementation is like you upgrade its value to 1, to 2, to 3, to 4. You can upgrade its value. And then, so let's think that you stop incrementing this. It'll become infinite, because since you don't add anything to enemy index, it'll stay 0, less than 5 forever. And then that guy would be in an infinite loop, and next then this whole code will stop running. And then guys, we looked at how we could use incrementation for like the enemies. Let's look at the items. So guys, let's just see, he attacks from 0 to 1, and next then now you look at this, yeah, the coins. So now you see coin 0, coin 1, coin 2. So we will use the same logic just with items, but then see coins in the coin index. So then he would go to coin 1, coin 0, coin 1, coin 2, till coin 7, which is right over here, and then he'll wait, because there are no coins left. And then he increments it. So guys, there are many ways of incrementing, like minus, and next then you could do 2 ways of incrementing: plus and equals to 1. So plus and equals to 1 could not be used here, because there could be like 5 enemies, 6 in a cluster, but I'll take some situation that one enemies come at each time. So first a munchkin, then another munchkin. They don't come in clusters. Then you could keep plus and equals 1, and then you could use that to like use some boolean logic and create a very super code. But so we could use plus, and next then minus in this version. But let's see this: plus and equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, and then division equals. Yeah, so you see, you could do that. And let's change it back. So you could do all of those, and you can make your mind explore indexes. So guys, that's what we're gonna learn about today over here. And then yeah, so that's it. And next then we collected all the coins, and next then we attack all of these guys. So guys, that's it for today. I'll come back for more, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you understood indexes with me. And guys, this is Coding with Gautam, signing off.